Nigga, don't get in your feelings. Hey, I'm young, pretty and gifted.
And you made it. Let's install this lace frontal wig together. Okay. Over a molded cap, you want to cut the excess lace off. Then you want to add makeup to the cap, close to that color. Then you want to add lace glue. Okay. You want to press the lace into the glue that is on her skin, where it's only on her skin where the glue is. Not 100%, but 50% pressure. Okay, cut off the lace in sections. You can do it with a razor, you can do it with scissors. Get close, but do not cut yourself. Don't cut the client. Just be careful. You want to get, okay, she looking like this because quarantine was just like a day before this happened. I filmed this video. She's a business owner and they're closing everything down. After you get the hair out of the debris, then you want to start tapping down the lace, and that's pretty much it. If you got a good quality lace, Thee Louismarie lace will melt, okay? If I don't say so myself. Then you want to pick something like, I guess, stretchy. It can be the band that you see in the video, or it can be some material, spandex or something like that. I'm showing you how the hairline looks without me cleaning anything with alcohol, just fresh out the bed. I'm sewing this wig down, not on the lace in the back, but little bit behind that, because her wig is 180 density, is heavier than the normal, and it's very long. So you want to get that tension off her forehead because it's only glue holding it. All right, let's get into curling. For this style, I wanted to add some big loose curls, so I'm curling from mid shaft to ends. And the higher I go up, the more I'm closer to the root, but I didn't want to be at the root. So to do this curl, you don't have to have a Marcel, you can do a regular curling iron, but you want to drag or pull and curl, feeding the hair into the curling iron, not pulling all the way down and wrapping it up. I didn't want them type of curls. So, sorry about that, I was about to sneeze, okay? So you want to twist it till you get all the way down, then hold it, and then release the curl after you've been holding it for about 10 seconds. Now let's move on to baby hairs. This section, you have to get a detail because, baby, they are to the eye of the beholder, or the beholder of the lace wig. I personally like to mold mine down. That don't mean set, that don't mean cut. Literally, I like to see like a preview of how the baby hair is going to look for me and for my client, because you literally, people, I'm telling you, you can be like, some people like, I don't want them big old baby hairs. Some people like, yes, I want big old baby hairs. And in her case, she really likes bigger, she loves baby hair, period. But in this case, she likes bigger, she's the type of person that likes bigger baby hair, okay? So this is what I like to do before I cut them, before I set them. I just like to style them first. This is not the last final step. This is me just styling it. I like to do it with Nairobi and Got2b spray because it sets almost instantly. And then if she approves it, then I go back and cut it. And then we're done. Okay? Let's just work smarter, not harder. All right now. So now that I have did that, we're going to get into fluffing. I like to use oil or serum or spray before fluffing. Just nothing. I can't do bare. I wouldn't prefer anybody to do bare, but that's just me. So now, to get them juicy, oosy, what I like to do is, okay, we get it. The cap or the wig in the back is not sewed down. Okay, I know that. Do not come for me. So I personally don't like to sew them down because I don't know. I like that to be the last thing that I do, because I feel like I'm always adjusting something, and it's difficult to me to, I guess, work with it if it's already sewed down. So that's just why I personally don't do it. But we're not done yet. Let's move on to the finishing touches. I only like to bleach the first 2 inches of the lace, and that's it for longevity. Let's get up and close for the haters. Nah, just kidding. Ooh, look Look at her. I am ready to do damage. Get him, sis. Wait, we got pictures.
Shh.